Hi, this is Jake from mapleforge. Just giving a little drawing to help explain what I'm talking about when I'm saying going from square to round something out. So if you have a piece of square stock, let's say four sides, four corners, you knock those corners down in, and now you got an octagon shape. I know this is kind of, might be simple to people who understand it, but so now you got an octagon shape. All right, now it's almost round. Well, now you go back and hit those corners down again. All right, and every time you do that, it becomes more and more round. All right, so you keep knocking those corners away. And again, more and more that you do it, the more and more round the piece becomes. I know it's not the best drawing, I'm on a whiteboard here, but that's what I'm getting at when I say that. Okay, the more you hit those corners down, the more and more round that object will be. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about when I say keep knocking the corners down, and the more round it gets. Just throwing that out there to you guys. All right, hope it might help somebody out there who's learning. All right, bye.